When he returned to the amusement park, it was dawn. The blonde girl didn't find the yellow-clad woman for a whole night. This time, she was no longer afraid to face the killer alone. She vowed to avenge his companions. Then she fought fiercely against the killer. I didn't expect her to kill the killer in the end, but before he could breathe, the doctor appeared with the yellow-clad woman. He began to threaten the blonde girl. If you want to save your companions, you have to be obedient. However, the yellow-clad woman took away his pistol while the doctor was talking. Finally, he was thrown on the ground and stabbed by the blonde girl. She opened a gun at the doctor without hesitation. The blonde girl ran towards the yellow-clad girl and hugs her. This is the end of the new killer game. The above is all the content of the US horror movie Mouse of Horror in 2025. Overall, the movie has no plot to tell. It's a brainless bloodbath movie. The degree of bloodshed is okay. Bloodbath lovers can go to see the original film. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.